Welcome to Pivot with Purpose in STEM. I'm Tracy Gray. We're going to make some yak, okay? So here I have some glue. I have some glitter. I have some food coloring, red, yellow, green, and blue. And I have some borax. I have 2 bowls, cup of water. I have a 4-ounce bottle of glue and another 4-ounce bottle of glue. That makes 8 ounces, which is 1 cup. I'm going to pour the glue inside this bowl. I'm going to set this bowl to the side. Now, if you're watching this video and you are wanting to make this and you live with your parents, make sure you get permission before you begin mixing. This will be a fun gag. May even be a little festive. So I've poured the glue. This 4 ounces, almost all of it, into the bowl. I'm excited because I love playing with yak. Okay, so I have this. I'm going to put the cap back on top of this bottle. I'm going to open the other bottle. Let me show you what I have so far. Can you see? It looks almost empty because it's the same color. I wonder what will happen when we add food coloring. Let's find out. And I think I'm going to pour all of this. Yes, I am pouring all of this because this is another 4 ounces. We need 8 ounces altogether, which is 1 cup. 8 ounces together, 1 cup. Almost all the glue is out. I wonder how slimy this will be. If we'll need a lot of borax, if we'll need a lot of water, warm water, cold water, we'll see. And I'm really excited about the glitter. I love glitter. And I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. I think I might use this glitter because I plan on using green for my GAC. Or I might use this glitter. We'll see. Combination of the two. Okay, I have all of my glue poured in. All right. Next, we're going to pour the water in mixture. We're only going to pour half of this water into the glue. Well, that's a quarter. That looks like a half. Teeny bit more. And stirring and stirring and stirring. Supposed to stir this glue until it's all the way mixed very, very well. So I'm stirring and stirring. I wonder what else we could make with glue. In one of our videos together, we're going to make Play-Doh. There are lots of fun things that we can make. I also want to make lava lamps, all different color lava lamps. Right now, we're making our slimy gap. Keep stirring and stirring and stirring. And I believe I'm going to add my coloring. Yes, I've decided to add the green. This is my green food coloring. Wonder how many drops I should add. Here we go. Can you see it? Okay, I'm gonna stir it, and maybe now you'll be able to see the glue in the bowl. Here we go. It's not green enough, is it? Starting to get greener. I think we need more green. I'm gonna add quite a bit more. I like very green, green. Stirring, stirring, and stirring, and stirring, and stirring. It's like soup. Green, goopy soup. I won't eat it though. It's not for eating. Here's my green goop. Okay, I'm gonna keep stirring, stirring, and stirring, and stirring. It's a lot of fun. Okay. Stirring and stirring and stirring. Stirring some more, stirring some. Look, it's a nice green color. I think, yes, I'm going to add this color. I don't know though, I'm torn. This one might be better. Although this one, the glitter is bigger. Let's try this one. Ooh. So fun. Look, can you see? Put this to the side. See my green goop? I'm gonna stir and stir and stir. I think I'm gonna have to add more glitter. I need more glitter. The glitter is hiding in the bottom of, yes, I need more glitter. I want it to be very sparkly, very sparkly. Okay. Oh, can you see the sparkles? Oops, spilled some out. Can you see? Okay. I've decided to reach into my supply kit to get some aluminum foil to put it on the table in case I have any spillage and to prepare for when I mix my gluey slime, my colorful gluey slime. Put this back in my supply box. Okay, I've got my glue and water and glitter mixtures. Keep that in there. Now I'm going to add, I'm going to use my spoon. clear it off a bit. I actually have a paper towel here. So I'm going to wipe off my spoon. Add a teaspoon of our borax to some warm water. Add some borax. So here's my teaspoon of borax and my half cup of warm water. I'm going to stir it and stir it and stir it until it's completely dissolved. I'll move my cup out of the way. And this is my borax. Again, you can't really see it because the bowl is white. It's mixing very well. It's mixing, mixing, dissolving. 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 Okay. Looks like it's completely dissolved. Now comes the test. I'm going to pour the borax, the dissolved borax. Yes, it's completely dissolved into our glue and glitter. We're going to stir and stir and stir. And look what is happening. Look what is happening. It is becoming solid. Look at that. Goopy, gacky slime. We want it a little firmer, I think, don't you? And keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. It's getting solid. It's getting more solid and more goopy. Oh my goodness. In a few minutes, we're going to pour it out on our, look, it came completely off the spoon. Okay. Yep, we're going to keep stirring this and stirring this. Oh my, look. Look at it. It's almost completely turned into a solid. Look at that. Gonna keep stirring it and stirring it. I think I'm gonna use my hands now. Knead it. Oh wow, this feels delightful. Delightful. Look at what we made. We made some festive cat. Wondering if we add, do we need to add a little bit more? Oh, wow, look. Very rubbery. You're a person that loves touching squishy things. This is a great activity. Great activity for squish. Sounds disgusting, but it feels great. I think I'm going to add a teeny bit more, just a teeny bit more borax. And even though it has the glitter inside of it, You can see it. You can see it. I'm gonna use my paper towel, dry my hands. I'm gonna add a teeny bit more to see if we can get some of the moisture off. And again, if you are a person who lives with your parents, make sure you ask for permission before you begin mixing borax and glue and water and glitter. It's actually at a substance now where I can break it apart and roll it. Now it has a grainy texture to it because I added the borax. But I'm going to put this part to the side. I'm going to roll out my cat. Look at that. It comes apart. Roll it, roll it, roll it. It's definitely something to play with. Got a great texture to it. Great smooth texture. You see? Make it flat. Make it round. You can make it to any shape you want. Oh yeah. I've got glitter all over my hands now. Oh wow, look at that. It's like a pancake. It's like a pancake. We went from glue, water, which is all finished, glitter, borax, to making our slimy gack, which is pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. But again, it is very stretchy. Again, making sure that if you are making gack and you live with your parents, that you make sure you ask permission. And I'm wondering if some of this gack can do some of rolling, 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 rolling. What if you can make it into a ball? It's almost got a dry texture to it now. It's dry. Wow. So fun. Look, I think I've made a ball. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it some more. Oh, see if it bounces. You think it'll bounce? Let's find out. Made it bounce. Made a ball. I made a rubber ball. So my gack turned into a rubber ball. So I've got a rubber ball. I've got some slimy, 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 slimy that can stretch. I still have some in my bowl. I bet I could even add some ribbon to it if I wanted to. I have some ribbon. I'm going to make another ball. Another ball. This is very slimy. Very slimy. But it's got a great texture to it. Feels great. Very slimy. But then the more you roll it, the firmer it becomes. You can roll it out. Well, as you can see, I'm having a great time making this slimy gack. You can make it festive. You can make a ball. You can make it stick somewhere. You can make it bounce. And you can have a great time. If you're a parent wanting to find a great activity to do with your child on these cool winter evenings. It'll be fun. It'll be a fun activity to do. And you can get really creative with it. Whatever you choose to decide to do, it will be something that you'll never forget, because this is a texture you won't forget, and it's not expensive. It's a fun activity. It's something that I think people who love squishy things would love playing with. Thank you for joining me for Pivot with Purpose in STEM. I'm Tracy Gray. Until next video, take care. As I get ready to clean up, just wanted to remind you that as you put your slime on a surface to keep it from sticking to a table, you can actually wrap the slime. So I'm actually going to wrap my slime in the aluminum foil that I put on the table. And so when I'm ready to play with it again, it'll be nice and fresh. Thank you for joining me. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Pivot with Purpose. Join our global community focused on STEM on school. You'll find the links below.